Hi, I'm Mark from eReplacementParts.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the seat springs on a Troy-Bilt Pony lawn tractor. The seat springs are located on the back of the mower beneath the seat. I'll flip the seat up out of the way. The seat spring is held in place with a single bolt. I'll use a long extension on my ratchet wrench to remove it. Now we can reinstall the seat spring. I'll drop the bolt down through the center of the spring and then just reattach it to the mower body. And that's how you can replace the seat springs on your Troy-Bilt Pony lawn tractor. We hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment or ask us a question.